There are major issues around trust and credibility with the financial services industry.
Reputation is everything.
That's not easily fixed.
The asset management industry really is in a new renaissance here.
There's a paradigm shift now, and we have to adjust.
There's a changing of the guard coming.
More than anything, clients come to us with the #1 mandate or concern to say, look, I can't lose any more money.
They look at their balance sheets at the end of the quarter, at the end of the year, and they see 0 to, at the most, 2% returns.
At the same time, they also have an overwhelming need to meet returns for fixed liabilities they have. And that's really the basis on which Forward Capital Partners was created. Our entire platform across real estate, private equity, traditional asset management is really geared toward preservation of wealth and current income. We believe in order to do that without taking extraordinary risk is to create a balanced portfolio. They really need to own a diversity of assets, traditional assets like stocks and bonds. As well, we feel that there's a need to own non-traditional assets, real estate, private equity, alternative strategies.
It could be up or down in a month, 10, 15, 20%, and that's just an enormous amount of volatility. So where does an investor turn when equities are too volatile and yields in the fixed income space are not giving them what they need? And I think that's really where you need to step into a more absolute return, relative value strategy.
We're very excited about the opportunity in commercial real estate.
Ron is going to do the underwriting on this project.
We think an exciting emerging story for investors.
It went through a roller coaster ride, and right now it's stabilizing. From a contrarian approach, we believe there's opportunity to take advantage of that. The upper floors, you're going to probably be around 10 foot.
We see a position in the market where we can offer an institutional type platform to individual investors that allows them to participate in a meaningful way directly into real estate.
Another part of the market that we're seeking to deliver to clients is private equity, lifestyle, brand acquisition, and licensing. It's a great opportunity because it's one of the fastest growing sectors of the private equity market. We think it's tremendously undervalued. There are only a few dominant players who operate in the space. The thing that excites me most is the chance to build a great team and to work with a great team.
Our fund and the partnership with Forward is very exciting.
There's great synergy amongst all of us, and everybody comes from a different side of the financing world or the real estate world, and I think putting that all together really adds tremendous value.
We're looking for young, bright, smart people with great answers. Partnering with Forward Capital Partners allows us to do that.
There's a wealth of knowledge and experience here. These guys all have unique perspectives. They've all in some way influenced their respective markets.
Whether it's real estate assets or traditional asset management, private equity, when you're in the buy side and you're managing clients' money, you obviously have to remind yourself that it's not your money, it's the client. So it's a good guideline to operate by.
We know that there'll be times where you report to your investors. It may not be the best news, but at least you're reporting to them. No surprises. We have a policy of no surprises.
It's been a really tough last couple of years, no question about it. And those challenges are going to be with us for some time. But change can be good. Change forces evolution. It forces leadership. It forces innovation. And it forces us to adapt to the landscape. If we can engineer these products that deliver returns with a high degree of consistent, predictable outcomes, we're going to be relevant to an awful lot of clients for a long period of time.